Hello class, this is Mr. Robert again. In this opportunity, I will explain to you how to access to SIA Eagles platform. The first thing you do is to put plataforma.eagles.edu.bo, this one here, okay? Then in username and password, you include your student's code. For example, I will get with one of your codes up and down. I write the same code, okay? The same number. Then I press OK. I just press accept and I continue. Here you see all the options you have in Eagles platform. The most important I want to teach you today is the books option. Why? Because you can also use this option in case that you forgot your book in the school. So I click here in select subject. I go into English. And for example, today I will give you homework of spelling one. So if you want to see the book, if you forgot the book in the school and you don't have it in your house, you can use this option. You click here, the book will appear, okay? Either app spelling one P4, and this is the book. You can use this arrow here to go a little bit down, okay? Spelling one. How can you work in the book? You can come here where it says página. You click in the number. For example, today I will give you to work in page number 7. You just write a number 7 and you press enter in your computer or in your tablet. And there you have the page number 7. This is lesson 1, words with short A. I will not explain the lesson now because I just want to teach you how you can also see the books in the Eagles School platform. If you have the physical book in your home, you don't need to use this option. This option of books is only for the students that forgot the book in the school. Okay? Yes? So how can you write? Let me show you how you can write. For example, if you want to write an answer here, you can use this text tool here. For example, this student wrote pass, match, and ask. I will write another word. For example, if I want to write one word, it says here, write the 18 spelling word that have the A pattern. If I want to write another word with A, I just click there with the text tool and I write, for example, banana. Why banana? Because it's here and it's with A, right? So this is how you can work with the books. Okay? Now what happens if you want to see another book? You click again in books. For example, if you want to see the mathematics one or the spelling book, you click here again. For example, the science book. I know that Mr. Melvin sent you science homework. You can also access there to science, okay? And you can see the books. Yes, okay, there you go. For example, here, if you want to go to the next page, you can click in the arrow. You can go to page 2, page 3, page 4, and so on. Okay, and we will go directly to see the books and the pages that we have. Yes, now as I said before, this is a tool that you will use in case that you don't have the books in case that you don't have the books in your house. Okay, well, as you see, you can use the books here up. You have the tools, and is a very interesting way to work at home. Now you don't have excuse and you can work. See you in the next opportunity. Bye bye.